Y'all, we have made it to week 6. That's 6, right? 6. All right. So, y'all already know how we do. Right hand, left hand. So, you're going to step with your left, cross over your right, and your right hand is coming out. So, think opposite arm, opposite leg. Left leg, right leg. Step out to the side with your left. Drop all the way around and then sit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg, right leg, drop, sit. You're going to bring this right hand back around, sit to go shake, shake, sit. Then you're going to step in with your left, hands drop to the side, hands come into your chest, and then you're going to wrap all the way around. After that, you're going to step up with your left, ball change, step back, ball change, and then start over. Left. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,